Hi. In this Hindi video, I'm going to show you how to send a location on WhatsApp. For this, we want to open WhatsApp. For this, click on WhatsApp. After clicking on WhatsApp, WhatsApp will start opening in front of you. Once WhatsApp is open in front of you, for sending your location, we want to open any chat in WhatsApp. So, click on any chat. After clicking, the chat will be open in front of you. Right here, you will see a button at the left side of the bottom. Click on this plus button. After clicking, a small format will appear from the bottom of your screen. You can see several options here, but we will click on location. After clicking, the location will start to open in front of you. Once it's open, here you can see you can send your live location, and below this, you can send your friend's location. You can choose anyone. The first one is for live location, and the second one is current location. So, we will click on just current location. After clicking on current location, the current location will be sent to your focal person. That's all. That's the way to send a location on WhatsApp. Thank you for watching this video.